So I guess what was the turning point for you specializing in taxes as opposed to any other aspect of a business, operations, scaling, strategy, but you're focusing on taxes? Why is that?
I had no passion to actually focus on taxes. I was a fitness professional, but I didn't report all of my fitness income when I graduated college. So I got a letter in the mail from the IRS telling me I owed more money than I had in my bank account. My mother had owned a tax and accounting firm for the last 20 years. I called her up. She's like, Carlton, you should have had an LLC. I'm like, what does an LLC stand for? A year later, I joined her office, started a sales division inside of her company. 5 years later, I got my enrolled agent's license, and I knew that there was an absence of tax professionals that were teaching people how to reduce their taxes, but there was an abundance of tax professionals that were teaching people how to file a tax return. Most people don't want to learn how to file a tax return. They want to learn ways to reduce the amount of taxes and then let a CPA file the return for them.
How are you kind of avoiding those issues? Because some people would say, oh, and on our video, people were commenting the IRS is going to be after you, but you mitigate all that risk because you're doing it the right and the legal way. Can you break that down, what that process looks like for people to make that kind of money and not have to pay half of that, more than half of that in taxes to the government?